On the table is a bright yellow rose. The flowers are made from thin yellow chiffon fabric. Insert needle into fabric center and fold. Thread one end of wire through needle's hole. Slowly twist needle several times so fabric coils, forming flower shape. Gently pull needle out. Use flame to heat wire ends to prevent fraying. One flower is complete. Fold the blue chenille wire in half, then fold again. Another wire is folded in half. Thread one end of wire through left wire. Twist the two top wire ends, then bend down. Separate the middle wire sections and smooth with fingers. Fold the two bottom wire ends and twist to form a petal. Bend gently to create softness. Make many petals like this, then assemble into a flower. This is how to make a large, charming red rose from chenille wire. Red and white chenille wires are used to create the petals. The stem and leaves are made from green chenille wire. The petals are assembled together to form the flower, a truly enchanting rose. Wrap blue chenille wire around the body of a pen. Press wires together, twist them, then remove the pen. Thread the long wire end through the hole in middle. Twist it several times, then bend it downward. Separate the loops and press them to form the shape of a petal. Behind is a completed cluster of flowers. Many blossoms are attached to green leaves and stems. The flower's center is a round white bead. Each flower has 5 petals. Make plenty of flowers to assemble into a large bouquet. You can use it to decorate your home by placing it in a vase. A roll of red ribbon is taken out and measured against a card, then wrapped around it neatly. Any excess ribbon is removed. Scissors are used to slice the ribbon into equal length strips. The ends are lightly heated with a small flame to prevent fraying. Hot glue is applied to the ribbon to fold it into shape. These ribbon pieces are used to create a rose, similar to the ones beautifully arranged on the table. 10 completed flowers are placed side by side on the table's surface. Each ribbon strip becomes a delicate petal. The petals are glued together one by one using hot glue. Making flowers like these requires a skillful hand, with patience and attention to detail every step. Use these flowers to decorate your home and bring a fresh, lively, creative touch to your space. Fold the pink chenille wire in half. Join the 2 wires together. Twist them, then bend the twisted part downward. Twist the 2 wires in the middle. Fold in the 2 outer wires and twist them the same way. Continue folding the remaining parts to form petal shapes. In front of us is a tulip vase filled with many pink flowers. Each flower is made from several individual petals. The petals are gently bent to create a soft, natural look. Do you like this chenille wire flower? Next is how to fold beautiful white roses from tissue paper. There are many finished flowers lying on a white lace mat. All the flowers look the same in shape and size. They are stacked on top of each other without being damaged at all. Here, the woman uses white paper to make them, but you can choose any color you like when making your own. These paper flowers are not only beautiful, but also very practical, because they last long and don't wilt like real flowers. Using tissue paper to fold flowers is also environmentally friendly and more cost-effective compared to buying fresh flowers. With careful folding step by step, you can create soft, natural petals that add elegance to any decoration space. This is also a wonderful creative idea to make handmade gifts or decorative accessories for special occasions. A pink ribbon is wrapped vertically around a ruler. Remove excess ribbon. Tape one petal in place. Then, wrap the ribbon around a small wooden stick to form a lovely little rose. You can make this using ribbons of many colors. A piece of orange chenille wire is wrapped tightly around the body of a pen. Press the wire close together and keep winding until the entire length is used up. Squeeze it firmly, then remove the pen. Next, thread a black chenille wire through to form a circle. Pull the 2 ends of the wire apart and twist them together in the middle. The remaining wire is used to shape the leaf and stem. What do you think it looks like? A flower, an orange, or a persimmon?